If you're not buying Bitcoin right now, you are missing the biggest opportunity of your lifetime. No exaggeration, Bitcoin is already moving and it's not just another rally. It's reacting to something massive happening in the background. Global liquidity is rising, Wall Street is buying, corporations are buying, and even nation states are buying. I'm gonna break it all down for you in plain English, no charts you can't understand, no hype, just the facts. By the end of this video, you'll understand exactly why now is the moment to take action and why if you wait, you'll likely be buying Bitcoin at much higher prices. So what's actually happening right now that's making Bitcoin pump? First, Bitcoin just went through its fourth halving. That's where the number of new Bitcoins entering circulation gets cut in half. This happens every 4 years by design. Now think about that. Imagine if the global gold supply just got cut in half overnight. What do you think would happen to the price of gold? That's what just happened to Bitcoin. The supply coming from miners dropped from 900 Bitcoin per day to just 450. Meanwhile, on the demand side, things are heating up. Global liquidity is increasing. That's just a fancy way of saying that central banks around the world are quietly turning the money printer back on. You won't hear them say QE or stimulus, but look at the numbers. Money's flowing back into markets and Bitcoin is the first asset to respond. It always is. Why? Because Bitcoin trades 24/7, has zero gatekeepers, and is perfectly scarce. When liquidity returns to the system, Bitcoin moves before anything else. That's what we're seeing right now. But this cycle is nothing like 2017 or even 2021. This time institutions are here and they're not leaving. Spot Bitcoin ETFs were approved in January. That means firms like BlackRock, Fidelity, and ARK Invest now offer Bitcoin access directly to retirement accounts, hedge funds, and even sovereign wealth funds. Now these aren't traders trying to flip Bitcoin for a quick 20% gain. These are long-term capital allocators managing trillions of dollars. Every day ETFs are quietly sucking up thousands of Bitcoin. And remember, only 450 new coins are mined per day. It's basic math. Demand is accelerating, supply just got slashed, and the only thing left to move is price. In past cycles, the average person front ran Wall Street, but in this one, Wall Street is already in the front seat. If you're waiting for some sort of perfect moment to buy, you're not early anymore. You're officially late, but it's not too late. Here's what most people get wrong. They wait for mainstream headlines and all-time highs to feel safe. They wait until Bitcoin hits 100K and then they decide it's worth buying. That's how you lose. You want to buy before the crowd, before CNBC, before your cousin at Thanksgiving brings it up. Timing the market is nearly impossible, but being in the market, that's how wealth is built. You don't need to go all in. You don't need to bet the farm. Just start dollar cost averaging. That means buying small amounts at regular intervals. Weekly, bi-weekly, whatever works for you. Let's say you start with $50 a week. That's $200 a month. Over a few years, with Bitcoin's historical performance, that kind of consistent stacking could lead to life-changing results. The hardest part isn't buying Bitcoin, it's believing in it early enough to act. You have to trust the math, trust the scarcity, and trust the system we're in is inflating away your purchasing power. All right, so how do you actually get started? Here's your simple playbook. Step 1. Pick a reputable exchange. Coinbase, Strike, Swan Bitcoin, or Cash App are all solid options for US buyers. Step 2. Make your first purchase. Start small, $10, $20, whatever you can afford. You're not trying to time the top or bottom, you're just getting in the game. Step 3. Move it to your own wallet. That's called self-custody. It's how you truly own your Bitcoin, not just hold it in an app. Start with a mobile wallet like Phoenix or get a hardware wallet like Ledger or Trezor or Cold Card when you're ready to go deeper. The earlier you learn self-custody, the sooner you'll understand why Bitcoin is different. Bitcoin isn't just an investment, it's a tool for personal freedom. And let me be clear, this isn't hype. This is the macro backdrop changing in real time. Supply just got cut, demand is going vertical, global liquidity is rising, and Bitcoin is once again proving that it moves first. You can sit on the sidelines or you can start stacking now before the rest of the world catches on. Don't be the person who looks back at this video 6 months from now and says, man, I should have listened. Start today, stack weekly, learn self-custody. That's how you win. That's how you stay sovereign, and that's how you front run the system. If this video gave you value, drop a like, share it with someone who needs to hear this, and subscribe for more real talk on Bitcoin. Until next time, stay focused, stay free, and keep stacking sats.